Hello guys. Here we have a Dell motherboard. Anyway, it turns on, but it doesn't charge the battery. Anyway, guys, you know the procedure and the steps that I do when I repair a laptop or a board with a problem. The first thing that I do, I check my 19 volts, right? And there's nothing wrong with the 19 volts here. And the second step is I do a physically inspection. So let's go ahead. Let's check. Okay. Number one, we have a broken connector, but it's okay. It does connect, although it's broken. And number two, we have a diode here, a shorted diode. It's a PD5. Anyway, I have a schematic for this board. Let's open the schematic. All right, here it is. Let's search for PD5 power diode number 5. All right, there it is. So one side of this diode it's ground and the other one it's a power rail. I'm pretty sure it's responsible for what. Let's check. I can't tell what exactly it does. Anyway, it's coming from the battery. Is it a battery? No, it's not a battery connector. It's a DC in jack connector. Okay, now the whole thing, guys, it does link now. Remember, the laptop turns on and works fine, but it doesn't charge the battery. And here we have a DC in jack where PD5 power diode number 5 is connected as well, and diode number 5 power diode number 5 it's shorted, it's bent, I mean. But anyway, I think it's shorted as well. Let's check if it's shorted or not. You know how to check for short, right? You connect one probe to ground and the other probe you touch where you want to check. Okay, this side is connected to ground. Okay, let's check the other side. Okay, guys, we have a short on power diode 5. It is shorted to ground. We have to remove that diode. And then one more thing, let's check where's PL3. Okay, let's check PL3. This is PL4. Let's rotate the port. Okay, something is bent on this side. What is this? Okay, guys, it's PL3. PL3 it's on this side and it's bent. Well, but I can't see where exactly is PL3. I can see it. Oh, okay, I think PL3 was here and it's got bends. Yep. Okay, so here I'm trying to generate. I'm trying to make a pad. I think I will use a power. A jumper wire here to jump from this side to another side. Okay guys, so here I'm going to create the missing pads. Anyway, I'm still waiting for my UV light. As soon as I get my UV light, I promise all of this work would be much more easier with a UV light. But for now, I'm still waiting for my UV light. Okay, anyway, I'm done. All right. Okay guys, now let's go back on the other side. Let's go back here. Remember here we have what? We have a missing diode. We have a bent diode. Let's put flags in. So what you do, you put flags, you apply flags. Okay guys, anyway, I have a donor board here, and this is it's exactly the same as the one we have. So I'm just gonna remove this diode. Remember, we need this diode, right? So without any waste of time, let's remove this diode. Okay guys, here we are, and the laptop, it's charging the battery. Hope you can see the battery there. It's charging, and it's even increasing to 83%. It's charging, it's working fine.